Here's a reason why you might not getting any sales for your online brand. It's not because your product sucks, it's not because your website sucks, and it's certainly not because you don't know how to film any TikTok videos. It's because you have zero email marketing, no flows, no automations, nothing running in the background to make you money while you're asleep. And the truth is, if you don't have this part of your business set up, your brand will never reach its full potential. Everyone wants consistent income, passive income, repeat customers, I woke up to sales moment, but that only happens when your email marketing is set up correctly. So today I'm giving you email marketing one-on-one, everything a brand owner needs to know about email marketing. I'm gonna break down why you're missing out on thousands of dollars, what email marketing actually is, how it works, how to set up flows that actually make you money, the campaigns you must send weekly, and how to get started today even as a beginner. My name is Ritu and I help you start your own online brand. My online brands help me fund my real estate, my event venue, my grocery store, my 600,000 plus stock portfolio, and so much more. I also started investing in buildings. It's my newest addition to my investment portfolio. If you like this type of content, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. That helps me out so much. This video alone can change how your business performs in the next 12 months. So grab your notebooks because we're going all in. I also want to give a huge thank you to Omnisend for sponsoring this video. Now let's get into it. So let's start with the basics. What is email marketing? Email marketing is the very simple process of communicating with your customers in a very strategic and intentional way that builds a relationship between you and your customer. A lot of people think that email marketing is just about sending discounts and random promotions, but it's really not just that. It's actually an entire formula. Let me show you. It's the process of how you turn a random visitor into a warm subscriber, into a first-time customer, into a loyal repeat buyer, into a brand fan. And you do this through consistent, valuable, personalized communication delivered through email. Email is responsible for 30 to 40% of revenue of many e-commerce brands. According to Omnisend's 2024-2025 report, brands that use email correctly consistently see 30% plus of their monthly revenue coming directly from email and SMS. So if your store isn't generating 20 to 30% of revenue from emails, it means that your backend isn't optimized yet and you're leaving a lot of money on the table. There is a $68 of ROI for every $1 spent. This means email is one of the highest ROI marketing channels on the planet. Brands that rely on email grow faster because their return is scalable and predictable. This is exactly why big e-commerce brands prioritize email marketing over ads. 72% of customers prefer email as their main form of communication from brands. Customers want to get product launches, insider updates, early access, discounts, educational content, important brand news. Emails really feel professional, intentional, and personalized. Social media sometimes can feel very noisy and cluttered. The average person checks emails 15 to 20 times a day. Multiple studies show people refresh their inbox throughout the day over 10 times. This is proof that you're not competing for a second of their attention like on TikTok. You're showing up in a place they already check consistently. Automations account for just 2% of email volume but drive 37% of all email sales. Automations are the make money while you sleep part. There are two sides of email marketing and both matter. First, you have automated flows. This is your 24/7 cash machine. These are pre-written email sequences that automatically send when someone takes an action on your website. Actions like they joined your list, they added to cart, they browsed but didn't buy, they purchased, they haven't purchased in a while. These flows are the reason why big brands say, I woke up to sales. Because even if you're sleeping, your emails are still working. They're reminding people, nurturing people, persuading people, and most importantly, educating people. On average, automated flows alone bring in 20 to 30% of total monthly revenue for brands using Omnisend. Number two, campaigns or your weekly communication. If you're on my email list, you know I send tons of emails every single week. These are manual emails that you send out to your whole entire list or segments of your list. Some examples are new arrivals, best-selling items, story emails, educational emails, restocks, seasonal promotions, behind the scenes, customer reviews, tips, hacks, and value. This is how you stay connected to your audience. This is how you keep your brand memorable and top of mind. When you consistently email your customers, they become familiar with you and that builds trust. So let me share with you why email marketing is so powerful. First, it's personal. Email is direct. It lands to someone's private inbox, unlike social media where you're talking to everyone. Second, it's intentional. Someone chooses to be on your list, which means they want to hear from you. 3, it's owned media. Your email list is yours. It means that it's not dependent on on some algorithm like social media. Email is the most stable asset in your business. Next, it increases customer lifetime value. Customers who receive emails from a brand spend more per purchase, buy more often, stay connected longer, remain loyal, become repeat buyers. Loyal customers equals the most profitable part of your business. The next time you get email marketing from your favorite brand, I want you to really pay attention to the email and read it thoroughly. It is also one of the best practices to learn about this strategy. Next, I want to give you some real examples of how emails can make you a lot of money. When someone visits your store but leaves, emails bring them back. When someone joins your email list but doesn't buy, emails warm them up. When someone buys once, emails show them how to use it, builds trust, and encourages repeat purchases. When someone forgets about your brand, emails reconnect them. When you launch something new, email drives sales immediately. When you're sleeping, your flows are running automatically. This is exactly why emails make up a huge chunk of revenue for brands who take it seriously. And Omnisend can really help you work smarter, not harder. If you've been enjoying this video so far, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Omnisend is also going to be linked in my description box, and you can use the code RITU for 30% off your first 3 months. For beginners, email marketing can look really complicated. I mean, there's so much. There are templates, designs, automations, segmentation, deliverability, triggers, conditions, workflows, timings. I know this sounds like a lot, but don't worry, because Omnisend solves this by giving you done-for-you systems. They give you pre-built flows, drag and drop emails, plug and play templates, automated segmentation, SMS plus email integration, Shopify sync, clean analytics, beginner-friendly dashboards. Most beginners can set up a pop-up, a welcome series, an abandoned cart flow, a post-purchase flow in under 1 hour. That's the beauty of platforms built for e-commerce like Omnisend. Now that you understand why email marketing matters so much, let me walk you through the process of how Omnisend works. When you log into Omnisend, the first thing you'll see is the dashboard. It shows you your sales from email, your top performing automations, your campaign performance, your audience growth, revenue breakdown, email versus SMS, and quick shortcuts to create emails or automations. This right here is your control center. Under reports, then sales, you can see exactly how much revenue Omnisend generated for you, how much came from campaigns, how much came from automations, and your full email-driven revenue breakdown. Now here's how you build your emails. Omnisend gives you a bunch of templates to choose from, and you can customize everything. Text, fonts, colors to match your branding. I'm just playing around this with the text here so you can see how simple it is. This is a super popular email every brand uses, the initial 10% off welcome offer. You see this everywhere, and it's something you need to offer because it converts extremely well. And if you're thinking, ugh, importing my logos and brand colors every time is annoying, don't worry. You upload your branding once and Omnisend auto applies it everywhere. And honestly, there's so many templates and design options here. You can create endless styles depending on your brand. If you've watched my past videos, you already know I use Shopify. Connecting your Shopify store to Omnisend takes less than a minute. It's super quick. Now, if there's something I want you to take away from this video, it's this. If you want your brand to grow, then you absolutely need to apply email marketing. I mean, I use it myself. If you're on my email list, you know. Email marketing is how I stay connected with my audience, and it's exactly how you can stay connected with your customers. It also builds trust and really helps them guide their entire buying journey. It's not about blasting promotions, it's about creating a relationship. And when you do it right, emails can really become the backbone of your sales. It is one of the most powerful tools to help you build a long-lasting, profitable online brand. Make sure to check out Omnisend. It's going to be linked in my description box. You can also use the code RITU for 30% off your first 3 months. If you like this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. I'll see you in my next one.